Today's video is all about penis inching. That is what I want to share with you in this video. When you see a man, he starts scratching his penis. It is a penis inching, and this penis inching can make one uncomfortable. It can make a man not to perform well as a man because he will never have a relaxed mind. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the causes of this penis itching and the remedy you can adopt to put an end to it. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, do well to join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Each time I upload a good content like this, you will be notified to watch my new upload. So what is a penis inching? A penis inching is when a man experience or have bulbs around penis. This indicates infection, or when a man have inflation around his penis. This proves that he will experience penis inching, and this penis inching will make a man not to be comfortable. Now, what is the major cause? The major cause of this is due to fungal disease or fungal infection. Yes, this is caused by fungal infection that lead to candidiasis. Yes, you always scratch your penis. Around your penis, you always experience this scratch, and as you scratch it interests you. This will make you uncomfortable. So this is a fungal infection which lead to candidiasis. Now, what is the remedy to put an end to this? The only remedy that will help you to stop this is to take antibiotic. It could be through root and herb. It can be through injection. So any one of your choice, take antibiotics. A strong antibiotic will help you to put an end to this penis inching. And as you do this, no more penis inching in your life. Now, after the treatment, before meeting anyone, make sure that you go to lab to investigate if that person is free of this penis inching, or if your partner don't have any bumps around his private parts. So as you do this, it will help you to live long and also avoid penis inching in the future. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that you get value. Subscribe to join us and turn on the bell to always get notified each time I upload a good content. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. I wish you the best. I wish you good luck. See you in my next video. Bye.